it's your teacher Karen again, and I am very happy to be talking to you about your book, Nature Around Us. So if you are ready, come and join me. Today's lesson, kids, is all about body parts of an animal. So animals also have body parts just like us. And different animals have different body parts. So let's take this animal here as our example. Do you know what animal is this, kids? Okay, so this one is a carabao. Okay, so what are the body parts of a carabao? A carabao have horns. Okay, so we call this one horns. So what animals or what other animals have horns? An example of another animal that have horns just like this one are deers, cow. They also have horns like the carabao. Of course, this one is the ear or ears. They have, or this carabao have its eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Carabao also have 4 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Other animals that you know that also have 4 feet, a lot, right? Like a dog, a cat, a horse. These are all 4-legged animals. How about this body part here? How do we call this one? Very good. This one is called the tail. Okay, so this body part here is a tail. Are there any other animals that have tails? Yes, there are also other animals that have tail, like a cat, dog, lion, tiger. So these are examples of animals that have tail, just like the carabao. So again, let's name the body parts once more. We have horn, ears, eyes, nose, feet, and tail. Next, what animal is this? Good job, kids. This is an example of a bird, and this is called an eagle. Okay, so what are the body parts of this animal? Let's start with these ones. So birds, like an eagle, have wings. So these are the wings. They also have a mouth part called a beak. So we call this one beak. Birds also have feet, but they do not have 4. They only have 2. As you can see, 1, 2, 2 feet. And this part of their feet are called claws. Okay? Birds have claws, sharp claws. And of course, they also have this one. It does not look like the tail of the carabao or the dog or the tiger, but sometimes this feather here or this part of the bird is also called a tail. Okay, so these ones are wings, beak, feet. We have here the claws and the tail. The bird's body is covered with feather, so we call the body coverings of birds feather. How about this animal here? Very good. This one is a fish. So what are the body parts of a fish? Okay, let's start with the mouth. Fish also have their mouth, eyes, tail, and fish, they have their fins. We call this one the dorsal fin. So this one are the fins. and the fish body is covered with scale. So the skin or the body covering of fish is called scale or scales. Again, eyes, mouth, fins, tail, and the body covering is called a scale. Can you name other animals that have scales and fins? Good job, kids. There are a lot of animals that have scales and fins. So this is just an example. So we have goldfish. Okay, you also have what other animals do you think? Okay, goldfish is one. We also have marlins. They have gills. They have fins. They have tails, and their body are covered with scales. So remember, kids, animals have body parts too, just like us. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time. Bye-bye!